So for some strange reason, USPS has decided that they are going to hold my boxes hostage and they're just going to pretend like they didn't even receive them. I don't know why they're doing this, but they did. So today we are going to be getting into and talking about The Box by Fashionsta, and this is my January box, which I just got literally a few days ago, which is insane. I know you're like, hold on, Alex, it's like midway through February, really? And I know they have been sending their boxes out kind of late, but yeah, it took me that long to get this box. And they actually had to send 3 of them out to me before the first one finally showed up, which is, it's insanity. I don't know why USPS, you're wanting to do this to me, but you are. So anyways, I wasn't going to unbox this box, but then there are some really amazing products in here that I did want to talk about and share with you guys. I did see them obviously on Instagram and spoilers. So let's just go ahead and rip this bad boy on open and get into it. You know what I'm saying? We'll just rip it off like a Band-Aid. So of course, did want to let you guys know, little disclaimer, obviously I am an affiliate of The Box. I do pay for my box. My box is $19.99. If you do sign up for it, I think it's $24.99 now, because it was grandfathered to everybody. As long as you stayed signed up, you got to keep the $19.99 price. But I do have a link down below you can use to sign up for it if you are interested. I do get a small commission if you do. It's not much. I think it's like $1 or $2 or something. Don't quote me, but I think it's only like $1 or $2. But you guys know that don't mean squat, because obviously last month I didn't give this box the best review. So whether I'm an affiliate or not, you guys are going to get my true opinion no matter what. All right. So let's pull out the first product, of course, which has got to be the controversial one. So this is by Bang Beauty, and I know a lot of you guys are not happy with this company right now, which I don't blame you. They've kind of always been a shady company. I told you guys about them when I did my Yes So Yes video. So if you guys don't know, Bang Beauty is also owned by Luna by Luna, Steve Laurent, and what is that? DLS, Dirty Little Secret. It's all the same company. And apparently now what? Facha, is that what I'm hearing? Fachas? I don't know. I had to take a break for a few days off of social media. My biggest problem with this product, though, I mean, the product itself is great. It's a great product. It feels great. It's a lip crown. It's very, very pretty. You could use this as a blush, but this has mineral oil in it. So my esthetician says mineral oil is not a great product for you, for your skin, because the molecules in it are not small enough to actually sink down into your skin and absorb into your skin. So they just kind of sit on top and kind of act like a magnifying glass for like the sun. So therefore your skin's going to get like damaged 3 times faster, unless you have an SPF on or something to that effect. So if you do use a product like this, make sure you're using an SPF and make sure you're washing it off of your face as well, because it will clog up your pores. So the next product in here is by Luna, an affiliate, obviously same company as Bang Beauty there. And this is a lip oil. It also, I think the second ingredient in this is mineral oil as well. But here's the great thing about this being a lip oil, you can use it at night, like it's like a lip mask before you go to bed. Oh, the little stopper thing is stuck. Let's see if we can fix that. Let's see. Nope, it's not gonna fix. That's no good. Come on, Luna by Luna. That was just not good. Not good. Not their fault, I don't think, unless it's just, I don't know, cheaply made. Who knows? But again, you can use this as like an overnight lip mask. Just make sure you wash it off in the morning before you go out in the sun and that kind of thing, because a lot of people don't put sunblock on their lips. Lip oils are all right. I'm not a huge fan of them, but I do like, as I said, wearing them at night before I go to bed. Just wash it off in the morning, that kind of deal. All right, so the next product in here is by Girl Lactic, and this is a precise eyeliner marker in the color Black Noir. Now, I do think this is a like flat matte black. Ooh, I don't know about the tip on that. I'll show you guys that tip. It's like really, let's see if you guys can see there. It's like very, very flimsy. You see that? So I don't know how I feel about that, but the color, oh yeah, and the color is kind of running a little bit in the little creases and cracks in my hand there. So that sucks, because I do like Girl Lactic products as a whole normally, but this just one might not be a winner. I don't know. I haven't tried it on my eye though, so this is obviously just going by little swatches on the back of my hand. But it does dry down from what I've seen very, very nicely. And again, flat flat matte blacks are hard to come by sometimes in the eyeliner world. All right, so this product is one that I'm really excited to share with you guys. So this is Lucci Metalit, the 4-in-1 Radiance Face Gel. This is 4 products, obviously in one, 4 in 1. So this is a mask, a highlighter, a moisturizer, and a treatment. Now, the reason I'm so excited about this product is because I've honestly heard a lot about this company, especially when they first came out. I want to say 2018, towards the end of 2018, beginning of 2019. So Lucci, for those of you guys that don't know, is actually Italian for the word light. And that's actually where the name for this company came from. The owner, Heather Jones, she went over to Milan in Italy, and she loved it there, and she loved they have a lot, if you guys ever go over to Europe, I mean, they really have a very, very high set of standards and expectations for skincare. Their ingredients are just amazing and they're wonderful. And that's why so many big high-end brands have their labs there, or go to labs, or get their ingredients from Italy, because they just have a higher standard there, you know what I mean? So she came back from Italy and decided she wanted to bring their mindset over here, and wanted to bring, you know, us Americans the, you know, high-end luxury skincare products for not so much of a high-end luxury price. You know, she didn't want anything that was going to really hurt the wallet. So woman-owned, vegan, cruelty-free, and self-startup company. I just absolutely love the story behind this company. But aside from all of that, the products are, from what I hear, amazing. Now, I haven't tried anything. I've been wanting to try something, so I'm really excited. So these Metalits, there's 3 different ones. There's a gold one, a bronze one, and a silver one. The silver one has vitamin C in it. The gold one, I think, has like high berry, and then this one has, I want to say almond oil and sesame seed oil, I want to say. But I've just heard amazing things. Like, I've heard that if you put this on at night before you go to bed as like a face mask, you wake up in the morning, your skin is just impeccable. I mean, just glowy, beautiful. You can wash it off, you can leave it on. Again, you can use it as a moisturizer, you can dab a little bit on as a highlighter. I mean, it's a beautiful product. And I can tell you right now, my esthetician always says, when you put a product on, and if you can feel it, if you can feel a residue, like after you get, you know, put it on, give it a few seconds for it to soak in. If you feel a residue after it's soaked in, then it's not great for your skin, because it's not, the molecules in it are not small enough to actually absorb into your skin. But if there's nothing left over, nothing but just nice soft skin, which is what I'm feeling right now, and there's nothing but just nice, beautiful softness and just dewy lusciousness, that right there is a good product. So I'm really excited about this. I wish I would have gotten the silver one, because you guys know, and I just dropped the cap. I can't have a video without dropping something. Oh my God. So again, I wish I would have gotten the silver one. You guys know I like vitamin C, but I'm just excited to try this product as a whole, and I was really excited. And that's one thing I do love about the box, is they really get these amazing products. I have found so many favorites. That one, which I don't know if that's favorite yet, but I'm excited about it for sure, if you can't tell. But like my Air Altelier, that one, my favorite. That Alterna hair stuff, the V serum. I mean, just so many favorites I've gotten from this box. That's one thing I love. All right, so the next product is the Blackhead Steam Pore Pack by, I think this is pronounced Kaolian? I don't know, but this is actually in the Sephora in Australia. So it's on their Sephora Australia website. And you're looking at me like, Alex, how do you know that? Well, because I like to get on their website sometimes and see what kind of products they have, and you know, what's different from us and what's the same. And I remember seeing this on there. So I don't really know a lot about this product though. Ooh, there's like a cute little spatula on here. So I'm guessing it's like a two-step product. You got the top part here, which is like a mask here, and then you've got the bottom part down here, which also looks like a mask. So one's a pore ritual. They both say pore ritual. One's a steam pack, and one cools, tightens, and soothes, and it's got glacial water. So really excited to give this a go. I did look at the ingredients a little bit online just to see if there was anything like alarming, and there's a lot of like weird kind of like maybe hokey pokey ingredients. I don't know really anything alarming, but I haven't really gone through it with a fine-tooth comb, so I'm definitely going to do that. And if I don't see anything crazy, then I'll give it a try, let you guys know what I think, if it's something, you know, you need to know about. And let's go on to this right here. So this is the CLE Multi Cream. This apparently retails for $32. I do like this. It's got the little expiry date down there. See, 4/1/2021. So apparently it's still good to go, right? We hope. All right, so this is a Radiant Skin Multi Cream Deep Moisturizing Agent. So it's got like a little tabby here. Let's see. Since my other hand is covered in stuff, let's squeeze it out on there. Okay, it's definitely a thick cream, and you guys can see that. Like it's very thick, not really soaking in. As I'm rubbing it in, it's actually kind of, I don't know if you guys can see that, like kind of clumping a little bit. It's weird. Yeah, there's like it's like making like little balls on the back of my hand. I don't know how I feel about that. All right, so what does this say? It's a rich, luxurious, multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo. Oh yeah, I do remember hearing about this. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I was trying to look up whether or not, you know, Palo Santo is good for you. And they were saying, I mean, it's got a lot of great properties, a lot of medicinal properties, a lot of, you know, I mean, it's supposedly really, really, really good for you. But I just also, you know, because of it being the oil and the extract, I just don't know. And then you've got cedar, frankincense, sweetgrass, lemon. I don't know. I don't really know, guys. I don't know about this product. I don't know enough about it. I definitely do want to look into it a little more. Supposedly, Palo Santos, I think I'm saying that right, is supposed to be really, really good for you. Some of the other stuff, I don't know. Because again, you know, my esthetician says some of the oils and things just not great for your skin. Again, they just don't soak in, and this is definitely sitting on top. I mean, I can feel it, and it's kind of like balling up even. So I'm gonna do some more research on this one, and let's move on to the next product. So this is the City Limits palette by IBY Beauty, and hang on, ha, here it is. Look, new one. oh wow, look, the packaging is just like a little bit different. That's crazy. So this one, obviously you guys just saw I pulled out of the box. This one I got in a Tribe Beauty box, I think several months back. It's a beautiful palette. That's why I've managed to keep it. I'll show you guys what it looks like right there. As you guys can see, I've only dug into it a couple times, but it is very, very pretty. I do like it. I mean, it's a weird palette. Some of the colors in it are just weird. Like it almost doesn't seem like it would go together, but as you start using it and applying it, I mean, now I will say, as you guys can see, on swatches, it does swatch a little bit patchy, but when you're applying it, because of how powdery and how soft it is, it blends out like a dream, which I love. And let me wipe my fingers off here, and then we'll swatch a couple of these shimmer shades for you. I really love this color, Drop. It's called Drop Base, Light Snow, and then Nightfall. I mean, they're just gorgeous. Now, again, because this is a more powdery formula, you are going to get some fallout on it, which is expected. If it's a really good pigmented formula, you're gonna get fallout. I mean, it's the name of the game. You know what I'm saying? All right, but as you guys can see, they do swatch, the shimmers swatch beautifully. These do swatch a little patchy, but when you're applying them, they're fine. It's a beautiful palette. So this palette is definitely worth the price tag for sure. And then of course it's awesome getting it in a box with all of these other products because, you know, you're getting a $20 palette. Now keep in mind, you know, these indie brand palettes do, or these indie brand companies do have to pay a little bit more to have their palettes made, because they're not buying as you know, much bulk as some of these bigger brands are, like say Too Faced. You know, they're paying to have 100 million palettes made. IBY is probably only paying to have, you know, 400 or 1,000 or something like that made. So it does cost them a little bit more to make their palettes. So $20 is total fair price tag for this palette for sure. I will probably link this other one along with, I did get my second box finally, because as I said, they shipped out 3 different boxes to me just to get one. We don't know where the first one went to. It still hasn't arrived yet. I have no idea what happened to it, but the second one did show up, and then this was the third one that they shipped out. So I will probably list a few of the products on my Mercari site if you guys are interested. If you did miss out on this box and you're interested in, say, just picking up the Lucci product, which totally worth it, I'm just saying, or even like the Kaolin, this looks very interesting. So again, I will probably list my extra palettes and some of my extra products in my other box on my Mercari site. If you are interested in checking that out, I will link that down below for you guys. And that is all I have for you guys today for this video. We do have a lot more coming, along with the box for February, because, and hopefully it comes in February, because we still got that coming. And I do have other stuff coming, but yeah, it's been a mess lately, you guys. It's been a mess, as if you guys didn't already know. All right, so, and I think I just confused myself on which palette is which. Okay. All right, I will see you next time. Bye.